Artificial intelligence is everywhere today. It's in our phones, our apps, and even our cars. But have you ever wondered how AI actually learns? In this video, we will break it down simply and understand how AI learns from data, step by step, just like a human brain. Machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence, where computers learn from data instead of following fixed rules. Think of it like teaching a child. The more examples the child sees, the better they understand. For example, if a child sees many pictures of cats and dogs, they slowly learn the difference. AI learns in a very similar way by observing examples and patterns in data. AI learns using something called a dataset. A dataset is simply a large collection of examples. These examples can be images, text, numbers, or even audio. Imagine feeding an AI 1000 photos of cats and dogs. Over time, the AI start noticing patterns like ears, tails, and shapes. This is why companies like Netflix and Google rely heavily on data, because more data helps AI learn better. After collecting data, AI goes through a process called training. During training, the AI makes a prediction, checks if it's correct, and then adjusts itself. This process repeats again and again and again, just like a student solving math problems. Mistakes help AI learn. For example, an email spam filter becomes smarter by learning from emails marked as spam or not spam. Neural networks are the core of how AI learns. You can think of them as artificial brain cells. Each small unit processes information and pass it to the next layer. One layer may detect simple things like edges in an image. Another layer detects shapes, and the final layer recognizes what the object actually is. This layered learning is what makes AI powerful. As AI trains on more data, it becomes more accurate. Each mistake helps the AI improve. This is why AI recommendations feel better over time. Just like practicing a sport makes you better, repeatedly training makes AI smarter. Self-driving car, for example, learn from millions of kilometers of driving data. You interact with AI every single day. Netflix recommends shows you might like. Google Maps predicts traffic conditions. Chatbots answer your questions. Even photo apps enhance your pictures automatically. All of this is possible because of AI has learned from massive amounts of data. So this is how AI learns from data. It collects examples, trains by learning from mistakes, and improves over time. If you enjoyed this simple explanation, make sure to subscribe for more easy and original tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.